Hey, here we are. We're still on the Carnival Celebration. Carnival's new ship this year, 2023. We're going to go on a short tour of Deck 8. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this. Stay tuned, watch it. At the end, tell us what you think of it. Alrighty, here we go. Right now, we're somewhere off the coast of Cozumel, returning to Miami. Okay, let's go. So on Deck 8, there's the Heroes Bar. I don't know if it's showing up or not. There we go. And ice cream, and Guy's Pig and Anchor Bar. There's entertainment here. Free lunch, but they charge you for... okay, let's go through to the outside. Deck 8, rear of the ship. At the stern, the aft, the ship's butt. This is very early morning. This is where the infinity pool. Yep. Infinity pool is here. Lots of sitting areas. Very popular section. And it rained last night, I believe. A big screen TV. And hiding around the corner hot tubs and some people doing lots of work. And the opposite side, the port side, Deck 8, which is over here, they put those chairs in the water. You can sit in the water in the pool when it's open. Everybody's hard at work cleaning things up. Another sitting area under the canopy. With another TV. And your obligatory spy cameras. That's okay. Make sure everything's secure and people aren't doing something they shouldn't be doing. Now remember the Pig and Anchor on the inside. It's a bar, sit-down restaurant area. Well, at lunchtime, outside, port side, Deck 8, is Pig and Anchor for lunch. Here you can get your pulled pork, your brisket, and your chicken, and all that stuff. Pretty much the same menu as dinner. Big, large sitting area. If you don't want to sit outside, you come inside. Place to wash up. And inside, you have a lady cleaning up napkins. Morning.
Morning.
And they have breakfast here too.
Morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Yeah, good. Thank
You having a good day so far? And yes, they do. On that side, they have ice cream. This side, it's your pop, your soda fountain. You're ready for breakfast here with cereal, juice, and this is coffee machine. And in the morning it's juice, orange juice, guava, apple juice, and the rest of the day is iced tea and lemonade. It's not what they call sweet tea in the States, it's just plain iced tea, no sugar, no lemon. Little tip for you, Put a little bit of lemonade in your cup, fill the rest up with iced tea, and you have a nice drink on a hot day on the ship. There's that Heroes Bar again, and the brewery is right here too. That's kind of neat. You can take tours of the brewery, they charge you. The pig smoker. This guy's neat. It's a decoration. And remember I said there was another gift shop down here? Well, here it is. Larger than the other one. Now, when we were on the Mardi Gras, this was a place to buy your bottles of booze. Service desk. There's that nice fellow that explained things to me.
Yeah, I was taking a pellet off here.
And through here, we're heading forward. Elevators, the rear elevators, stairs. Carnival Adventures, that's where you book your excursions. Rudy's Sea Grill, Rudy's Sea Grill. That is something you pay extra for, it's not included. And here, the glass stairs. Watch my step here. With my eyesight, that all blends in together. Chill and tropical. Everything's Miami-based theme here. South Beach type of thing. That's why the flamingos. This guy's a runner. This guy over here. Skateboarder. Let's get a better picture of that. And Decadeli. Great sandwiches. That's included. Nice Cuban sandwiches, coffee, lemonade, iced tea there, bar. This is your pizza joint. Pizza's the same on all the ships. They've decided to call them different names. Everything from Pizza Pirate to this one, Miami Slice. And what's neat over here too is if you study that railing above those seats there, let's see, can I focus in from here? Can you find Miami? And and as we go through, 820 Biscayne. Bar 820. And Cucina del Capitano. That is a great Italian restaurant. On this ship and on the Mardi Gras, it is included in your fee. And Pixel Studio. Everybody's waking up. Back here, behind Pixel Studio, is, I forget what's back here. There's the mid elevators. Oh yeah, this is the back, the second, the exit from Cucina del Capitano.
Oh.
Let's take a peek. Ooh, the door is okay.
I can get in.
It's okay.
Check it out. Look at these fancy seats.
That gives you an idea of what it looks like in there. Food is really good. And mind you, if you were connoisseur of Italian cuisine, well, who knows, you might think differently. But this is, like I say, this is, look at the time and the temperature. Isn't that nice? Let's go through the, lots of elevators. They're small, but there's lots of them. And every elevator area has a board where you can find out where you're at or where you have to go, where you want to go. Remember, the other side of that is Pixels. And out here, FE Jewelry. Another staircase. And this is center stage again. Another view of it. This is from, remember, this is from deck 8. We saw it from deck 7. This is the top floor for the center stage. FE Front Street watches. Excuse that rolling sound, it's my cane. And this is Bonsai Sushi. Nothing's open right now, which is a good time to film it because don't interfere with people's activities. And this is Bonsai Tapanaki. That is an extra cost also, as well as the sushi. I believe this is like $48. Again, center stage, more seating. And there we go, the world going by. And here, the glass bridge over top of deck 6. If you've seen the video on deck 6, on deck 7 I mean, you'll see the bar we walked past. I said deck 6 a minute ago, I meant deck 7. And Dreams Studio, another location for them. You want to spend some extra money to get some fancy pictures of yourselves, that's the place. Coming up is Havana Bar. As it states on the floor. How'd that happen? Anyway, that is Havana Bar. They do different activities in here. Everything from line dancing lessons to different activities. Yeah. All you need is a cigar and a bottle of rum there. And they have entertainment in here. But let's get out of here. Automatic doors. Either that or this place is haunted. Washrooms. And right across the hallway from that is Shebang. Fusion of Chinese, Mexican. Some people just love it. I don't know. Jury's out on it for me. 8:30 the other night, and the portions were so tiny that I ended up having a sandwich and pizza later. And up front on deck 8 is the Havana State Rooms and Suites. So
Let's go see the video. I think get a ramp.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Okay, it's a peek at the hallway. And on the opposite side, on forward deck 8, well, forward elevators, is more Havana staterooms and suites. Okay, that's as far as we're going to go into there, just in case we're in somebody who paying all that extra money for their privacy with all their balconies that everybody else can look down on. Remember that when you book it. Okay, that's the Deck 8 tour. Let's take a look over here at the board.